चलिए रोल।
बरसे भीगे हैं
क्या बात है।
नरवाली रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे हो रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे ओ फूल बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे होली है
कमरिया 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 कमरिया।
सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा सोने की थाली में जो ना परोसा
हाय गोरी
हाय गोरी का यार बलम तरसे
क्या बात है।
बरसे ओ फूल बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे होली है everyone sing it together होली क्या बात है
सुपर वंस मोर
बेला चमेली का बेला चमेली का सेज सजाया बेला चमेली का सेज सजाया सोने गोरी का यार बलम तरसे रंग बरसे
क्या बात है।
ओ फूल बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे
होली है।
कब है होली कब है कब है
होली कब है?
कब है होली होली कब है। गब्बर सिंह कब है होली गब्बर सिंह कब है होली। चलिए चलिए क्या कह रहे हैं क्या कह रहे हैं क्या करना है।
होली
होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया झोली रे रसिया आज बिना तुम्हें होली रे रसिया होली रे रसिया झोली रे रसिया Happy
There is no food.
भाई अब जल्दी घर पे ही आने
There is no food. घर में आओ भाई मेरा बाटी कुछ बदल दिया।
होली है।
I think now that you've mentioned that, also in my profession, what happens, we do a lot of shoots where we waste so much water just to get that one stupid shot, which doesn't even make sense. Because, you focused on the actor so much and the water was not even the most important part, but we ended up wasting so much. I think we should, as even, whether it's me, each one of us, when we are also shooting, let's bring in better ways of saving water rather than using it and wasting it just to get that one shot or that effect. Or so also, since now she mentioned about my profession, that was a good thought that we should also start from where we work. So whether it's shoots, whether it's somebody in their own business, in their own kind of cafes, anything, everywhere, even in cafes, when we serve water. So I, also belong to a lot of restaurants and I'm very closely connected to the NIT. And when they serve water and people don't drink, then it just goes for a waste. We have to find ways to figure out how we put this together. Having said that, I was just thinking, itne baar, if we are going to talk about this, is it going to irritate somebody? Let it irritate. क्योंकि आप जितना बोलोगे, जितना आप ड्रिल करोगे, इट्स लाइक हम बार बार कोई चीज़ रील देखते रहते हैं ना, वही गाना सुनते रहते हैं ना, हाउ वी गेट यूज्ड टू, वी हैव टू ड्रिल इट इन पीपल्स हेड, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. बिकॉज नाउ आई हैव गॉटन चार्ज्ड अप, हाँ अभी हम पानी नहीं वेस्ट करेंगे, नाउ वी आर, but then that's it. Now once I'm out of it, it's going to go. We have to keep talking about it, and y'all are the right medium how we're going to get there. So please help us reach out, keep drilling it in people's head, and please don't forget about animals. Trust me, my heart goes out for them all the time. You have no clue what they go through. I mean, you know, we try our best. Like, I would also want to rescue as many animals, but it's not. It's one thing to say I've rescued. One thing is to really
Do
take
it.
care of them.
Do it, yes.
You know, you cannot just rescue and not give them the right kind of, living or whatever you call it. But least we can do is give them water.
Yes.
है ना, पानी तो हमको भी चाहिए, इंसानों को भी चाहिए, एनिमल्स को भी चाहिए, एवरीबडी नीड्स. उनको पानी दे दिया करो. पानी ही, you know, you want to make utilize of it. So that's, I think, the best way. Having said all of this, thank you so much. I know you're doing this today. I was just talking to your mother, and I know that you're going to be traveling with this entire movement today, tomorrow, and that takes a lot of energy and courage. And thank you for doing this for all of us.
Thank you. Yeah, like she was just mentioning, हम तो जाके खरीद सकते हैं पानी, लेकिन बेचारा बेजुबान क्या करेंगे. ये एक बहुत सोचने वाली चीज़ है, तो कम से कम बचावत करना शुरू तो करो. ठीक है.
And
Thank
it's
you.
so hot, guys. मतलब इतनी गर्मी हमें irritate होता है. Birds, animals, please go reach out to them also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ankita. Thank you.